Today I will be doing explanation with my twin sister Joanna. And as you can see, I will be doing me getting a lecture and her coming in at 1 So I thought it was really cool because sometimes I want to have videos we see a lot. Okay, so here we go. Huh?
What the heck was that? Hey,
Huh?
oh, I'm up. I don't want to be up.
Wow.
Okay.
Hmm.
I do not want to be up. Uh, I'm going back to sleep. Get up! Get up! Get! No, stop! Get up! You know you have to be up. No! No! And that is me. Bye! Sensei, yeah. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Oh yeah. Bye. Oh, and subscribe. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Comment,